Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Home Automation X channel. I am Anika and I'm here with the wonderful Cindy.
Yay.
And we are going to be doing a massive tech unboxing for you. Yes, another one.
I know. When it's so nice, we do it twice or maybe 3 times.
And it's actually going to be a giveaway. So
yes,
this is going to be for...
This is going to be for an amazing lineup. Now, you really want to be able to see what all is here. We don't want to give you any spoilers just yet. But yeah, you can definitely check out, if you want more information on anything you see here, check out amazon.com/shop/x. All the information is right there.
All for one lucky winner, guys. So make sure you guys subscribe to our channel, click that bell icon, and give us a thumbs up. And let's get started. Woo! So I'm gonna go and start with this one right over here.
Okay.
And our wonderful viewers care about us so much.
Yeah.
They told us not to use the knife last time, so we got
A
ourselves
professional box cutter or X-Acto knife, whatever you want to call it.
Whatever you want to call it.
But it's much safer, and thank you for your concern, guys.
Yeah.
It's definitely appreciated.
We love that. Okay, so what do we have here?
While you're doing that, I'm gonna open the next one.
Oh my god, this is awesome. I really am excited for this one because this is a 4K camcorder here. Comes in a cute little bag.
That is cute.
Yeah. And let's see here. So we have our, first I want to show you guys the camera. Comes in a little bag like this. And that's your beautiful camera. And we also have a mic. What was this mic called? What is this called?
Oh, that's one of those shotgun mics,
yes,
because when you hold it, it kind of looks like
a
stick 'em
shotgun.
up, stick 'em up.
And it also comes with 2 batteries, which are in here, and it comes with your USB ports and all the wiring and all that fun stuff. Now you also have a wide angle lens. Whoop, right over here. Lights, camera, action. So you guys can see there's our shotgun mic right there and our wide lens right over here. It also comes with an LED light that you can put right on top and get some light up in there. I love this.
It's fabulous.
If you guys want to
4K.
start making some YouTube videos, we are all in support of that.
Now, would I replace my 4K Sony Handycam? No, but it's not that bad for the price.
Okay, you might notice
Let's
the
see.
comparison.
How's the motion, guys?
Yeah.
How's
How's
the
the
quality?
Get the picture?
Yeah. Picture.
Perfect.
Okay.
Oh.
Look at her finishing my sentences already.
That's what we do.
All right.
All right, our second box, exciting stuff. Here we are. Let's see what's inside box number 1. There are 3 individual things in there. Oh, check it out. So this is for your router, otherwise known as a Wi-Fi point. So you're just going to actually mount that to your wall, and that's going to eliminate the clutter. So a great way, and there are 3 of them in there, just like there are 3 things in this box.
It connects to your outlet, so it's
Exactly.
nice.
So you're good, and it's by Kiwi.
Kiwi design.
Speaking of Kiwi design, this is a battery base, and it's all about the base. So when you open this bad boy up, which apparently, how many people does it take to open up a, there we go. But anyways, once we finally get this open, it comes in 3 colors. It lasts for 16 hours. And this is a base that you can actually charge your Google Home Mini with. And if you have a Google Home Mini, it is something that is a must. Now, obviously, it's very securely put together because it took us a while to open it up. But check it out, 3 fun colors. It's silicone. You just dazzle and
Frazzle.
there you go. And here is our third thing, also Kiwi. This is our silicone magnetic wall mount for the Google Home Mini again. So it's magnetic, which is a really nice fact about it.
Yeah, it keeps the clutter away. As you can see, it has a second part to it.
That's right, and it's really nice. You know, the silicone material is a really nice feel.
All the
to it.
wires are stored up in here, rolled up around in there.
Exactly.
So you just connect your Mini to it and
you're good to go. Exactly.
Awesome. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start unboxing this big baby here.
Big baby.
Big baby. Remember, guys, if you want to win anything here, make sure you guys are subscribed And y'all click that bell icon to stay
That's
notified with all of our
Latest and greatest.
giveaways. Yes, if you want to make sure you guys don't miss out on any of them.
That's right.
Okay, so the first thing I have here is the LED smart bulbs. It comes in a pack of 2 bulbs, and there are a gazillion colors, all different colors, and they are all controlled through your Alexa and your Google.
What a brilliant idea.
What else do we have in here? Almost threw the chandelier down again. Okay. Now this is also controlled through your Alexa and your Google Home. Now this is from Tekken, and let me open it up for you guys to show you guys. This is a plug switch. This is a plug strip, and you can see here that it comes with 4 different plugs and 4 different USB ports. They're all individually controlled through your Alexa or your Google Home. So these are also set with personal timers and scheduling, so that's pretty cool. And we'll move on to the next item.
All right, yeah. So imagine having all of this amazing lineup that you've already seen. Now I've already opened up this one, and it is exciting. Another great gift idea. It's the outdoor LED security light by JJC, and it's 3000K daylight. And it's really awesome. Here, I'm gonna pull it out so you can see just how great it is. Check it out. It's got the sensor as well, so as you move, it will actually, you know,
Pick up the motion.
pick up the motion and the commotion. Yeah, so it is a fabulous way to light up your life. All right,
Okay,
moving
so
on to our next one.
We have the wireless camera. It's a Wi-Fi camera, and it's 1080p. Okay, so it's pan and tilt, as you can see. Pan and tilt. I don't want to really move this around because it's kind of stuck. And yeah, so this is a little security camera that we've got here.
Okay. Nice and sleek and sweet. All right, this one here is our smart socket, and it works with Alexa, so that's good to know. Okay, so this one here, it is the Amyson Wi-Fi smart socket, and it works with your Google and your Amazon devices, your home smart devices. You're able to schedule and plug and play. It looks like this, so it's really great, you know, a nice gift idea as well. And, you know, I like the fact that it is voice controlled. It's really nice.
Okay, so I have here already opened up. We have our eTech City Smart Wi-Fi light switch. Now this is very similar to our outlets. They are also controlled with Amazon Echo and the Google. And as you can see here, you can also set timers and schedules with this as well. Yeah, let's move on to the next one.
Awesome. Uh-oh. Okay, got it. Ah, ha, ha. It was a little tricky. Ooh, these are fun. So for all you gamers out there, this is what you want in your life. Now these are great for if you have the Nintendo Switch, the PS4. I mean, this is a really awesome gift idea. Like, check them out.
All of our
I mean,
gamers
they
out
are
there.
super sexy. Like the red is a nice touch.
It blocks out the noise
Yeah,
as
it's
well.
noise cancellation. You got your microphone up here that you're able to lift up.
Yeah.
It is definitely an ideal companion for all you gamers out there.
Yes. Okay, so I've already opened up the last one here. And what do we have? Remember guys, if you guys want to win these, make sure you guys subscribe to our channel. And what do we have here? We have the Woo Sport Outdoor Camera. And why it is an outdoor camera? It actually picks up on motion, and it takes 3 photos back to back. So So if you, let's just say, you know, you're hunting or you want to catch Cindy in her natural habitat.
There you go.
You can catch that, and you're also able to view the photos that you do catch. So, you know, if you find that in that certain area, the, you know, hunting zone is pretty low on activity, you can always switch it over and go somewhere else. But that's this one right here, and it's 1080p quality as well.
Exactly. So we hope you enjoyed this amazing lineup. Do let us know what you thought of our fabulous unboxing. We would love to hear it from you. We welcome your comments, your suggestions, and the like.
Yes, and make sure you guys leave a comment down below and let us know if you want to see more of these massive unboxing giveaways. We love you guys so much. Thank you so much for your support. This is our way to give back to you guys.
Yes.
And don't forget, guys, to check out the rest of our videos here on the
That's
right.
right.
Share this video if you guys want to share some giveaways with other people, and check us out on HomeAutomationX.com. Follow us on Facebook and on Instagram, and we wish you guys best of luck. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.